say, yes, I can tell what sex it is. We don't want to know what the sex is. Wow, it looks a lot different than last time.
Yeah.
Okay, are you starting?
Mm-hmm.
Is it back facing us?
It's kind of like to the side.
Okay.
See, here's the head, and this is the back.
So it's backwards.
Head down.
That's good.
Down. Okay. But it doesn't matter right now. They can do whatever they want.
No, but I mean, like, right now the baby's not facing us in that picture, right?
In that picture, no.
Yeah,
Baby's
okay.
facing that way.
It's sleeping?
Little heart.
Oh, that's a hot man.
Aww. Does that mean it's sleeping?
The heart?
So it's moving. No, I mean, the baby's not really moving.
If it's sleeping, it just doesn't want to move. Or if it's just relaxing.
It's breathing, look at
Oh,
that.
there I saw a hand move.
Yeah.
There's a little hand.
Is it sucking its thumb?
No.
Oh.
It just doesn't want to move too much right now. But don't worry, I'm sure it'll start moving.
After 30 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, like right now it's moving the hand.
Oh, it's
there
moving,
it
it's
is.
moving. Oh, it's
Very
moving.
good.
It's awake, you woke up.
Hi.
It hurt us. There's a hand by the face.
Yeah. That's his spine, huh?
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna start.
Alright.
So
Thank you.